This is the story of the red ball.
Part 1. Tom is sad.
Tom is a little boy. He is 7 years old. He lives in a small house near a big city. Tom has no brothers. He has no sisters. He has no friends. Every day, Tom goes to the park alone. He sits on a green bench. He watches other children play. They run and laugh. But nobody plays with Tom. Tom is very sad. He says, "Why is nobody my friend?"
Part 2. The red balloon comes.
One sunny morning, Tom looks up at the sky. He sees something red. It is a balloon, a beautiful red balloon. The balloon is not in a shop. It is not tied to a tree. It is flying alone. It moves left and right like a happy bird. Tom stands up. He waves his hand. "Hello, red balloon," he says. The balloon stops. Then it comes down. Slowly, slowly, it comes to Tom. Tom touches the balloon. It is soft and warm. "You are my friend now," Tom says. He smiles.
Part 3. A new best friend.
Tom and the red balloon go everywhere together. In the morning, the balloon follows Tom to the kitchen. Tom eats bread and milk. The balloon waits. In the afternoon, they go to the park. Tom runs. The balloon flies next to him. Tom jumps. The balloon jumps too. Tom laughs. "You are funny," he says. Sometimes the balloon plays hide and seek. It hides behind a big tree. Tom looks for it. "Where are you?" he asks. Then the balloon comes out. "Boo!" says Tom. Tom is not sad anymore. He is happy.
Part 4. Bad boys see the balloon.
One day, Tom goes to the park with his red balloon. 3 bad boys are there. They are big and mean. One boy says, "Look at that red balloon. I want it." Another boy says, "Give us your balloon, little boy." Tom holds the balloon tight. "No, it is my friend," he says. The bad boys laugh. They pick up small stones. They throw the stones at the balloon. "Go away!" Tom cries. But one stone hits the balloon. The balloon makes a soft sound. Pop? No, it does not pop. The balloon is strong. The balloon is strong, but it is scared. It flies up, up, up into the sky. Tom screams, "Come back! Please come back!" But the balloon is too high. Tom cannot reach it.
Part 5. Tom cries.
Tom sits on the grass. He puts his head in his hands. He cries and cries. "Now I have no friend again," he whispers. The bad boys run away. Tom is alone. The sun goes behind a cloud. Everything is gray. Tom cries for a long time.
Part 6. Many balloons come.
Then Tom hears a sound. Whoosh, whoosh. He looks up. His mouth falls open. Many, many balloons are coming from the sky. They are blue, green, yellow, pink, purple, orange, and white. Hundreds of balloons, thousands of balloons. And in front of them all, the little red balloon. "Red, you came back!" Tom shouts. The red balloon comes down. It touches Tom's cheek. It is like a kiss. Then all the other balloons come down too. They make a big, colorful cloud around Tom.
Part 7. Tom flies.
The balloons lift Tom up. His feet leave the ground. He is flying. Whee! Tom shouts. He is not scared. He is happy. The balloons carry Tom over the park. He sees the green grass and the big trees from above. They fly over the city. Tom sees small houses, long roads, and tiny cars like toys. People on the ground look up. "Look, a boy in the sky," they say. They wave at Tom. Tom waves back.
Part 8. A New Home.
The balloons fly far, far away. They fly over mountains and rivers. Then they see a beautiful place. It is a valley with flowers of every color. There is a little house with a red door. The balloons go down slowly. They put Tom in front of the house. Tom looks around. "Where am I?" he asks. Then he sees children, many children. They run to Tom. They are smiling. "Hello," they say. "Do you want to play with us?" Tom smiles. "Yes," he says. The red balloon stays next to Tom. The other balloons fly up into the sky, but the red balloon never leaves.
Part 9. Happy Forever.
Now Tom has many friends. He plays every day. He runs, jumps, and laughs. And every night, Tom looks at his red balloon and says, "Thank you. You are my best friend." The red balloon shines softly in the dark. Tom is never alone again.
The end.